Hi everybody, Russ from ProSteamUK here. I'm actually driving to a customer's house at the moment, and the customer has taken out the protection and maintenance plan, which is exclusive with Simply Carpets and Flooring at the moment. And just to fill you in, before I get there, the customer had their carpets protected from day one, and this was 2 years ago. And so today we are going to deep clean the carpet, and we're going to reapply the protector to ensure that the carpet still has that level of protection for the future. So when we get to the customer's house, we'll first of all just check to see whether or not the carpet is still repelling water, and we'll go from there. Sprayed our product on, we're now grooming the carpet, and this allows the protector to be evenly distributed around each fibre. It's going to take probably 24 hours to completely cure. Once it's completely cured, the carpet will once again have hydrophobic properties, repelling dust and water and other liquids, and that should be good for another 24 months.